Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates. We are in accountancy class 12 commerce. Okay, so in the last class we have discussing about a chapter issue and redemption of debenture. Okay, so I have already discussed journal entries, how the debenture is issued and how the journal entries is passed. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic of the debenture, that is issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. Sometimes the debenture will consideration other than cash will not ask, company will not ask the cash. Company suppose purchase some assets, and instead of assets company will issue debenture to the company, other company, or to the debenture holder. Okay, so this is a new topic under debenture, that is issue of debenture for consideration other than cash, other than cash. Okay, issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. This is a new topic under debenture. So, see, sometimes a company purchase assets. Sometimes company purchase assets from vendor. From the businessman, sometimes the company purchase assets from the vendor, and instead of making the payment in cash, that means what? Suppose A company is purchasing assets from B company or B a vendor. So asking that, please give me some assets, some plant and machinery, some land and building, something related to company. Okay, but the company should pay cash. A company give an offer that instead of giving cash, I'll issue debenture. You will get the interest also. Okay, so that instead of paying cash, issue debenture for consideration. Therefore, such issue of debenture is called debenture for consideration other than cash. Okay, so what will be the journal entries for that? The question may arises, sir, for issue of consideration other than cash, what will be journal entries we have to prepare? See, here the company will make the different entry, not start from the bank account. Okay, because the company is purchasing assets from whom? From vendor. So for that we have to know the purchase and payment method also, payment criteria. Okay, so how we'll make it? See, number one format. So I'll give the format of journal entries now. Format of journal entries. Okay, that is the issue of debenture other than cash, the format of journal entries. How will do the format? So number one. So number one journal entries is on purchase. While purchasing the assets, what will be the entry? While purchase of assets. While purchase of assets, what will the journal entries then? The entry will be C. Sundry assets account debit. Sundry assets account debit. Okay, to vendor account. To vendor's account. Okay. So whenever the asset is purchased under consideration other than cash, the company gives the first entry. Sundry assets account debit to vendor account. What is the meaning of sundry assets? The meaning of sundry assets is what? Assets comes in, and who is the giver here? The vendor is the giver. From whom we are purchasing? Suppose I am a company of A Limited, so I am purchasing assets. Who are giving? The vendor is giving. So sundry assets account debit to vendor account. Okay? This is the first entry while purchasing the assets. Now the second entry while issue of debenture. So what will the journal entries while issuing? Okay, on issue of debenture. Okay, on issue of debenture, what is the entry? Number A, suppose at par. If it is at par. That means what? If you have promised that, okay, if you have promised while purchasing the assets that how much debenture I am issue, the rate of interest, the rate is will be 100%. Suppose I am issue 10,000 debenture at the rate of 100 each. That 100 is no discount, no premium. Okay, that is at par. So the entry for at par will be what? The entry for at par will be, who will get the amount, the vendor will get the amount. So B, A, whoever so. So the entry will be vendor account debit, vendor's account debit. Okay, narration will do by yourself, being the payment made, okay, being the debenture issued to debenture account. Okay, it may be 5% debenture, 10% debenture, whatever so. Okay, so the vendor account debit to debenture account. Who is called the vendor? To whom we have to pay. Why we will pay? Because the company purchased assets from the vendor. Now vendor will receive, that is vendor account debit to debenture account. That is at par if it is in 100%. Now if it is a premium, what is the entry? Okay. If it is a premium, at premium. So number B, it will have only one entry. I will give the 3 entry par, premium and discount. Remember, don't write the 3 entry at the time of issue. It comes only once. Okay. You will see the question, read the question first. After that, you will do. Okay. So it is given at premium. It is given at premium. What will the entry at premium? The entry will be vendor account debit, vendor's account debit, okay, to debenture account, to securities premium reserve account, that is securities premium. If you are paying the debenture more than the face value, if you are issuing the debenture more than the face value, that will be the premium account. Okay, so vendor account debit to debenture account to premium account if it is issued at premium. If it is issued at first of all we have to give the purchase entry, that is called the purchase entry, and that is called the issue entry. Okay. Now the next journal will have at discount. Okay. So what is the discount entry then? Remember that at par, at premium and discount, it will come only one entry. It will be mentioned on the question. So if it is discount, what will the entry? At discount. So what will the entry then? Discount is loss of the company, and we know that loss will be in debit side. Okay. So what will be the entry? Vendor will get the entry at vendor account debit, vendor's account debit, right? Since discount will be debit because expenses, right? Discount on issue of debenture account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to debenture account. Okay, to debenture account. That is the entry under debenture, issue of debenture under purchase consideration. If a company issue debenture under purchase consideration other than cash, what is the meaning of that? If the company purchase assets, okay, and the company is not able to pay the cash, then the company will issue the debenture, okay, and the vendor will get interest, okay, because in the debenture it will mention that 9% debenture or 10% debenture or 12% debenture, okay, based on the value of amount. So the entry will be, you have to give two entry on purchase of assets or issue of debenture. Let us solve one question, it will be clear for you. See the question number 6, page number 84, NCERT book. Okay, I not make the format. Make the format by yourself. Page 84, NCERT book. Okay. NCERT. So, question number 6. So, it says that Ashwiwat Company Limited purchased access of the book value rupees 2 lakh from another company and agreed to payment the purchase consideration by issuing 2010% debenture of 100 each. Same question, that company is purchasing 2 lakh assets from another company, that is from the vendor, okay, and agreed to pay in purchase consideration instead of money. The company is issuing debenture. How much debenture is issuing by the company? That is 2000 debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each. So this is a question of par, simple question at par. So I have discussed already at par, at premium and at discount. This is a question of par. So we have to write the books of. Remember that in every question we should write the books of. Books of what? Books of company's name. Company Limited. Okay, so the journal entries. So we have to make the journal entries. So what are the journal entries? The date. First, the company is purchasing the assets. The entry will be assets account debit. So we'll call it sundry assets. Okay, sundry assets account debit. Sundry assets account debit. The amount is given 2 lakh. So write in the debit side, debit credit. Okay, 2 lakh dash dash 2 lakh. Sundry assets account debit to vendor account. Okay, to vendors account. That is the journal entries of while purchasing the assets. What will be the narration then? Being the assets, being the assets purchased from vendor. Being the assets purchased from vendor. That is the journal entries regarding the purchase of assets. Now, while issuing the amount to the vendor, so what will be the entry? Vendor account debit, vendor's account debit to percentage of debenture is given what? It is 10% debenture to 10% debenture account. We write here 2000 into 100. What will be the amount then? 2000 into 100, it will be 2 lakh. So put here 2 lakh, credit also 2 lakh. Okay, instead of cash, the company is issuing debenture. So what will be the narration? Being the 10% debenture issued to vendor. Being the 10% debenture issued to vendor. Being the 10% debenture issued to vendor. That is the two entry. First entry regarding the purchase of assets, assets account debit to vendor account at par entry, and instead of cash, vendor account debit to 10% debenture account. Okay, this is a question number 6. Very simple. Whenever the company purchasing assets, instead of giving cash, issuing debenture. Now at premium question will do. See the next question, 7 number question. Take out page number 85. Rai company purchase assets of the book value 2,20,000 from another company and agreed to pay the payment on purchase consideration by issuing 2,000, 10% debenture of 100 each at a premium of 10%. 100 each at a premium of 10%. So 10% of 100, it will be 10 rupees. So what will the entry then? So this is a question of premium. So write the books of Rai Company Limited. Books of Rai Company Limited, question number 7. So see, this is question number 7. Books of, write the book name, Books of Rai Company Limited. Okay. So how much the assets purchase? The assets purchase for 2,20,000. So in the books of the company, assets comes in, that is sundry asset account debit. Who is the giver here? Vendor is the giver. So we have to record in journal entries. You are asked to do journal entry. So what will the entry then? Sundry assets account debit. Sundry assets account debit to vendor account. Sundry asset account debit to vendor account. What is the amount? The amount is purchased for 2,20,000 dash 2,20,000. Okay. Narration being the assets purchased from vendor, being the sundry assets purchased from vendor, being the sundry assets purchased from vendor. Next is, while giving the debenture, while issuing the debenture at premium. What will be the entry? I have already discussed in the format. The entry will be vendor account debit to debenture account to premium account. So what will be the amount of premium? That is 10%. So the journal entries will be vendor account debit. Vendor, it is a question of premium. Vendor account debit. Okay. To 10% debenture account. To securities premium account. Okay. So vendor account debit is how much? 2,20,000. How much would you give? 2,20,000. Okay. Next, when debenture will be 2 lakh and premium will be 20,000. How we know? Because premium is 10%, 2,000 of 10%. Okay. Next, 2,000 into 100. That will be the debenture account 2 lakhs. Securities premium is 20,000. Okay. C is a question of premium. How will you know the question of premium? If it is more than the face value. What is the face value? The price of each debenture. Already you know. Okay. Now next question is regarding the issue of debenture at discount. Try at home. This is a very easy question.